Guys, thanks for joining me again in today's video. And of course, in today's video we'll be checking out best boom and crash strategy for small accounts. Okay, if you are having a small trading account and you want to see if you can grow it up, okay, definitely you need to watch this video to the end. And right here I will be explaining to you a simple strategy which you can use to grow your small account up gradually until you get to that level which you are looking for. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how you can trade your small account into a very big account. Okay, it is a simple trading strategy, and of course that is what we will be looking right here. So let me quickly take us down to this place. Let me quickly take it down to boom 1000. Okay, this is it. Okay guys, it is always important when you understand everything you are doing around the chart even before you go fully into it. Okay, if you do not have full understanding of what is happening around the chart, then you will be getting it wrong. Okay, you will be getting it wrong. So it is important you have a good understanding of what is happening around the charts before you go fully into it. Okay, so with this you will be able to make a good amount of profit for yourself at the end of the day. Okay, this is very important. Once you get it right, then definitely you will always be in profits. Okay, you will always be in profits. Okay, so this is very important. That is why I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will understand every part of it. Okay, you can see right from here, from this region, you can see that it kept on selling. Okay, it kept on selling for a very long time. Okay, for a very long time. You can see it till it got to this region. The reason for this is that it is on its on a downtrend. Okay, the market is on a downtrend, so this is the right trend to sell. Okay, so this is the right trend to sell. So if you understand the exact trend to go into the market, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Another opportunity is what we have right here, and of course you can see it right here, and of course it sold till it got to this region. Here is another opportunity, and of course it sold till it got to this region. We always have such opportunity within the market, just that we need to understand how to go about it. We need to be able to identify it each time we have such opportunity so that we can jump into it, and that is what we want to focus on today. Okay, so for you to grow your small account, you must know the right time to go into the market. If you are going into the market at the wrong time, then you're going to get it wrong. That is why your trend is your number one thing right here. Okay, so you need to understand your trend. If your trend is on downtrend, do not play with the buy button at all. Okay, just focus on the sell button. And if your trend is on the uptrend, then do not play with the sell button at all. Just focus on the buy button. Okay, and you should also understand your support and resistance zone. Okay, so once your support and resistance zone are well gotten, then definitely it will help you to know your entry point and your exit point, and it is very easy to identify. Once there is no breakout from the resistance zone or above the resistance zone, then you should know that the best time to sell is around the resistance zone, when the market is coming from the resistance zone, when there is no breakout below this support zone, then definitely you should know that the best time to start buying is from this support zone. Okay, so all these are very, very important, most especially when you have a small trading account, because you don't have all the luxury account in order for you to play around. Okay, all you just need to do is just to manage the little accounts you have in order to maximize your profit for yourself at the end of the day. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you don't want to waste time at all playing around with some unnecessary strategies that you are not sure of. So you need to be sure of what you are doing. That is why your trend is very, very important. Then you identifying your support and resistance zone is also very important. So you need to be able to combine these two items together in order for you to make good profit for yourself at the end of the day. Then your lot size is also very important. I know you want to make big money, but you are having a small trading account, so do not use a lot size that can blow off your account just at a single strike. Okay, no, do not use a lot size. You need to grow it gradually. You might be making $1 per day or probably $2 per day, so it is a gradual process. You shouldn't rush yourself to get into a stage whereby you will be making $30 to $100 per day. Okay, if you cannot make more than that, more than $5 in a day, why rushing to get to $30 to $100 per day? It is a gradual process. By the time your capital, your trading capital grows up to that level, then definitely you will be making up to $100 daily without any hiccups. Even once it grows up above that level, then you will be making about $500 every day without any hiccups. Okay, this is very easy to do. So this is the mindset I want you to have. Once you have the right mindset, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Now let's go straight to the chart again. Okay, with this indicator we can easily identify the trend. We can easily say, okay, the trend is on uptrend and it is on downtrend. For instance, right here it has got into this resistance zone, and of course if it's not breaking out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will be selling. Okay, right here it didn't break out above it, even though it got to this region and went back up again and still came down to break out below that support zone. And right from there we got our trend signal, which is a downtrend signal around there. So, and we also got our sell signal right here, and of course it means that the market is coming from the resistance zone. We've gotten our sell signal, our sell trend signal, then or our downtrend signal, then we also got our sell signal. Okay, so the three are in line with, they are all coming together at this point, so which means it is the right time for us to sell at this point. And moreover, okay, I want you to have your chart on 5-minute time frame. You know you are trading with a small trading capital. Okay, so right from here you take it gradually. Okay, you trade till you get to your next support zone, and you make sure you take your profit before you get there. Okay, here is a support zone, and of course you can put your TP around here so that once it gets here it will take your profit for you, and you do it gradually. Okay, you don't force yourself into the market if the market is not suitable. That is why you have 6 different assets to trade. Of course, in this situation, because you are having a small trading account, you won't be able to trade boom and crash 300. Okay, so you can only trade boom and crash 1500. So you have 4 different assets to trade. Okay, so which is very reasonable. And of course guys, once you start from here and take your profit around there, allow all this to happen. Once they are done, you can see that it has gotten to another resistance zone around here, so you can see that it obeyed it around here. Sorry about that, it obeyed that resistance zone somewhere here. pick it. Okay, somewhere here you can see it right here. So it got there around here again, so it is another resistance zone. Okay, so definitely you should know that it will start selling right from there. So if you had come in there and start selling, you can put your TP somewhere here. This is a support zone, so you put your TP somewhere here and you make some profit again around here. Gradually you are adding up to your capital, and gradually your capital will be growing, and right from there you will be able to increase your lot size as your capital is growing in order for you to make more profit at the end of the day. But do not increase your lot size immediately. Make sure you make reasonable profits before you start increasing your lot size. Okay, so after that you can still come in after the breakout from the support zone. You can still come in around there and trade till the next support zone, and around here is the next support zone. So before it gets there, then you should take your profit somewhere here. So if you had put your stop loss around there, so you trading from here to here is another profit for you. Okay, is another profit for you if you are able to execute some of these trading activities successfully. Maybe you are able to do about 2, 3, 4 or 5 trading sessions on daily basis, then that will help you to grow your capital very fast, and of course you will be making some good amount of profit right from there. And let's say if you continue doing this for like a week and you are adding up your your profit to your capital, then definitely by the following week you will be increasing your lot size in order to make more profit, because your capital will have grown up reasonably, and of course you will be having good amount of money for yourself right from there. Okay, so this is very easy to do. Even though you can start with any capital, but I always advise that if you don't have money at all to get started, you should start with a minimum of $50, because that will give you more confidence within the market, and you will be able to make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. If you are doing this method for like a week, that your $50 will have grown up to over $100, and of course you will have more confidence within the market, and you will be able to make more profit by the following week. And by the following week you can easily take that your $100 to over $300 if you are the smart person, because at that point you have more capital and you will be making more profit at that particular point. So it will be very easy for you to go above $300 or up to $300 at that point within a week. Okay, so this is very, very important. And of course in case in case you are having this trading tool, let's say you are assuming you are having this trading tool, I believe that all you need to do right now is to understand everything that I have explained in this video. Put it in practice. Okay, put it in practice. You can go to your demo account and practice with it first before you go straight into your real account. Once you are able to achieve this, it is what you practice that you're going to put into use whenever you are doing it on your real account. Okay, this is very, very important. So practice very well so that you can put it into use on your real account and make some good amount of profit for yourself at the end of the day. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.